Can we ever lead Nigeria if the majority of the people from our region have consistently been agitating and are still agitating and saying that they are not Nigerians, they do not belong here? Can we ever lead Nigeria where majority of the people from our region are constantly tearing down, cursing, insulting this very Nigeria? There are truths that can no longer sit quiet. We must start to address them. Nigeria is all of us. All geopolitical zones, all states, all local governments, all regions, all religions, all ethnic groups, the entire population. The moment one region is out, that questions our identity as a country. That questions our identity as Nigeria. Contrary to what many of us believe, that other regions are threatened by us or that they hate us, that's not the true position. What is that others have agreed that they are Nigerians. We are confused on whether we are truly Nigerians or we are not. And the regions that are fully accepted to be Nigeria are concerned that if we let these others who haven't truly made up their minds whether they want to be Nigerians or not, if we risk a chance at leadership by them, that threatens their own identity as Nigerians. That has always been the issue. The era of us playing the victim card has come to an end. We are either Nigerians or we are not. And if you choose to be Nigerian and you want to produce Nigerian leadership from our region, then we must truly be Nigerians. Take a look at all the other leaders who have served at the highest authority in the country. Everyone from their region at least agrees on one thing, that they are Nigerians. You cannot give what you do not have. You cannot lead what you do not identify with. You cannot lead a people you do not agree that you belong to. If we're ever going to lead this country, then we must take a stand. We must truly be Nigerians. Nigerians at heart, Nigerians on paper, Nigerians in action, and Nigerians in unity. Our region cannot have two great divides. One divide that says we are not Nigerians, and another divide that says we want to produce the next leader of Nigeria. We must be bold enough, honest enough, humble enough to say, where do we stand? If we have agreed that you do not want to be Nigeria, then follow the due process and legal process to make that happen, no matter how long it takes. But if you want a chance to be Nigerian, to lead Nigeria, like I had said before, then we must be Nigerians. We must work with other Nigerians. We must see other Nigerians as a part of us. We must collaborate. We must negotiate. We must form alliances. Because you can only lead Nigeria if truly you see yourself as a Nigerian.